Stuck Barbie head knobs are one of the most common problems in the Barbie world. I'm Busy from Germany, and today I'd like to explain you how to solve the problem and get the head knob out again. Let me show you a quick solution to your problem today. I have here my Barbie head with the joint inside the head that I already showed you, and now let's remove the earrings first before we can remove the joint from inside the head, because the earrings are in our way. So let's do this first. I have prepared a bowl with hot water, a little towel, my door needle and a pair of pliers, and we have to wait 1 minute before the head is soft and we can remove the earrings first. Sometimes you have to change your plans while you're filming, and it was the case here today because I wanted to show you at first how to remove the earrings before I removed the head knob, but the earrings were very uncooperative, and so I changed my plan here and showed you how to remove the head knob first and let the earrings in. This sometimes happens when you film. So this is a joint with an anchor on top, and normally it's the easiest way to remove the earrings first, but these were a bit sturdy and didn't want to come out, so I tried to put the earrings out as far as possible to get the joint out of the head, and that's what we've just done. So head joint is out of the head. Success for today. Yay! So let's put the earrings back in, and then we are done for our little journey today. Let's have a look inside the head again now. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. I hope you have learned something. Please tell me in the comments if you ever had the problems I showed you in this little video. And please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very soon. Your Busy from Germany. Bye!